Hello, hi guys, my name is Sarvansh and thank you for watching my other videos about SSCM tutorial. So today I'm going to discuss about the site status. Okay, so what is your site status and the component status, whether it's working or not, that we are going to discuss. How we can check that whether our SSCM is showing the healthy or not. So let me start this video. So now I am under the monitoring, and under the monitoring I am under the site status. So under the site status here is a sorry, under the system status I am in a site status. So under the site status you can check these are the sites I have. Here you can see all the components or whatever you have added in your SSEM, like the site roles whatever you added. So here you can see in the site system role, if something is not working, it will show in the red status. Okay, so here is nothing showing red, but let us go with the component status. If you are having any of the issue here, like it's showing the in yellow or red, if it is showing as a warning or red as a critical state, then what you need to do, you need to go with the component status, and here you can get it the more clear picture. So, here if you see in the critical SMS W sync manager, it's showing the critical status. Hierarchy is showing in the critical. WHUS configuration manager is showing critical status, and all these others showing good. Now let me go here. Site component manager is showing my warning. Okay, so these many components are not functioning well, and might be there is some issue. So let's see the first step how we can track the issue. Okay, so first let me go in this, and what I can do, I can go with this all status messages, go here, status. Now the this message box is opened, and here what we need to understand, we need to see the this error. If you put it to your cursor, it will give you the error description. So it's showing the summarization set. This component is running to the with the warning it's running, and here is a big detail of why this issue can be caused. So we need to check the last status. Earlier if you seen it, it was showing it's already exit, some AD issues was there to update the MP objects, but here it's finally what it's happened in the site component manager has reported one error. So it's showing here with the one error, but it's not in the critical state. If you go here, it's showing the one error, and here also one error, but if you seen it here in the red, it's showing like it was not updating. So might be at that time my SSEM was not communicating with the AD, and it was trying to update the object. Okay, so that's how you can check it, but let me show you something more how you can troubleshoot it. So if you want to troubleshoot it, now go to start configuration manager, and guy, it's up to again what kind of error is coming. There is so many errors and the so many troubleshootings will be there, but soon I will be creating videos for that also. What type of error, what you can do, that separate things I will be starting. So now here you can see in it, and what was the error message. Let me go again here. Okay, so it was the error under the site status component manager, SMS site. So let me go here, SMS underscore site and the component manager. Let me do the query for this. Okay, so now it's showing is a running, and let's see the how we can troubleshoot this. Right click, go here, check the logs, and what I'm going to do it, I'm going to stop and start the services. Let me do the stop, and here just click again. Okay, now it is stop, and this green color highlighted to start the services. Now let me click here. Okay, so now it's running, and let's see the logs how it was getting updated. So I'm pressing the F5. Okay, so still it not updated, but it will update. Let's check the other things why it is not updating. I was stop this SMS executing services. That's why it stopped updating any of the messages there. Why I was stopped it? Because I want to show you the when the maximum error available in SSEM, then what you can do it. Let me just refresh it. It got started or not? Okay, it's running now. Then this backup service should not be started. It should be in a stop mode. I don't when your the site backup is running, that time only these two services should be stop. Okay, so here the logs file should be updated. Okay, so now it updated. I stopped the services, so it's showing the component is stopped, and again we started, then it's showing the again component is started, and now we are getting the error that object is already exist in your AD system management folder. So let's try it. After some time, it will do the validation again, then it will do the fine tune. Okay, so now it's showing again that status messages detect is with the one warning, and here is a one warning. So why this is warning is coming when your system management folder is not having proper rights, or you will be having any issues with your SSEM to AD connectivity. So it's not getting proper rights to update the details or to check or the validate the details. So now you seen it again. One more status is updated. Why this is frequently updating? Because I stopped the services, then I started, and even the my SMS executive service was on a stop mode. So when we started, it will take some time to again update in that database and showing you the site status. So here you can see in the live how the logs is updating. So now it is showing this component site status manager changed to online. So now everything is fine in terms of my site component manager. So let's go in the SSEM and now check it. So still it's showing the yellow color. Let me refresh this. Okay, it's hanging something, and it should be in a green status. So if you go okay, so still it's showing in the uh, yellow color. Let me reset it. The But anyway, it's a warning, so it's nothing going to happen. But in the logs it's showing the status is online, so that means it is working fine, there is no issue. It will take some time to update here in the logs, and if you refresh it again, might be it will change it to online. So now it's gone. If you seen it, the SMS underscore site component manager, SMS underscore site component manager, now it's showing online, and it's showing the green status. So guys, that's how you can troubleshoot any type of your component status in SSEM. It's totally depend on what kind of things you are going to troubleshoot and what is the error. So just I showed you the one example. If suppose let me show you the other logs. If the WHS sync manager is not functioning well, then what you can do is click OK and check the logs file. So what it is showing, it's showing the online. Okay, so that means is everything is working fine for me here. If the my last status message is showing online, that means it should be green. If it is not in the green status, it will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, 5 minutes. It will take to update in SCCM console to show you the green status and the OK status. So that is how you can identify what is the issue and how you can troubleshoot. Just I give you another one example, and there is a lot of things are here, like MP is not working. What you need to do, your WSS not working, your DP is not online, or it's showing the any error. Then we have the different steps to do. Sometime it resolved with the starting the services under here. If you are in the service manager and you are restarting the services, it will resolve. But if it is not resolving, then we need to check the logs file why it is happening. So this is the first step for troubleshooting if your site component is not working. Okay guys, so you seen it, the about the site status and the component status, how you can work. Now, the next thing is the my coming video. I will be showing you why it is coming in the OK status and the warning status. Means how we can define that. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my the next video.